bit of fun today, a little bit of quarantine cooking. I'm gonna ask the girls to help me make one chicken ramen. It's going swimmingly. Huh? All right, so the first thing you do is break down a chicken, and oh, I forgot to record. Okay, back to it. Flame on, got the water. My helper's back, not helping. Kombu. This is gonna help create a little bit more slime, a little bit more MSG for the broth. Some aromatics in there. Maybe take the kombu out, but whatever. Chicken bones in, and here we go. Keep skimming, just keep skimming. Just keep skimming, skimming, skimming. Alright, skimming's done. Throw in a little bit of garlic. One bowl of garlic. A lot of aromatics in. Reduce the heat. This is gonna be bad. Roll the heat down and let it evaporate. But yeah, we got all the components there of some ramen in the making. I'm gonna let that go for a couple hours to see what happens. It smells good already. Onions, garlic, chicken. I'll kick up the umami just a little bit more. Had some bonito flake lying around, and honestly, I'm looking for an excuse to buy some more.